Good morning, everyone. So in the trading times, I needed to look at my ExxonMobil long trade. I've got 4 contracts long, and my out point on them is 11827 stock price. You can see here 11827 is the stock price, and 5.35 is the valuation on the 4 contracts. So 535 by 400. So 2140. I have a gain of $428 in there for the day so far. Now, what we want to show you is over in the spreadsheet, when I ran the numbers in the spreadsheet for ExxonMobil, let me find it. It's actually down here. Supposed to have that open before I shot this video, but my ADHD brain, I've got a Seiko watch here I'm trying to appraise. Multiple things going on this morning, which is great. But when we come over here to ExxonMobil, remember on this trade, on this 0.8328 move, we were looking for a stock price move to 11827. So whenever the stock got to 11827 was when the run was over, but Dow stocks tend to run a little bit harder. So what I'm hoping for, so 11827 tells me that the option price for what I have is 535. So I have a $400 gain. But what I'm hoping for is I'm hoping that the Dow stock, because it's a Dow stock, because it's ExxonMobil, because it's one of the largest oil majors on the planet, it overshoots that 11827 price point. And that my option trade, I'm trying to sell my option at 5.55 today. Now, there's something emotional about 555. 555 was the first semi-truck I ever had when I was a semi-truck driver back in the day. So 555 is an emotional thing for me that I'm hoping for. So now we're going to come down in here and we're going to see how ExxonMobil is actually physically trading. 11815. Its high is only 11832. So you can see how the spreadsheet has told us that 11827 and whatever that option price was the trade, because now it's come back down. And the market could be turning. Let's look at what our indices say. Pigs get slaughtered in this business. You have to remember that. So we're up 151 points in the Dow. That's a pretty strong gain, and that should fade as we get beyond this. We should start to see that number go down at some point in time, especially around, oh, there we go, down a little bit. Let's look at where our ExxonMobil trade is actually physically at. It shouldn't be gaining steam. It should be staying the same, 11813. So I could be sitting here all day long waiting for it to go back up to 11832. Because it moves tick by tick by tick. And when you're trading options, all of these ticks matter. Every freaking tick matters when you're trading options. Okay? If it's working against you, it's not good. If it's working for you, it's good. So then if we refresh this valuation here, 535 should be gone. 5.325. Okay? So I'm waiting for the stock to move 27. I'm waiting for the stock to move 10 cents. And I'm hoping that I get my 555 valuation on the day, because that's an emotional trade for me. If I take the emotion out, I would already be out of this trade. Would have executed it. 11827 was our target price, and I just showed you that it was 11827. That's when you trade it. It's very simple with how the spreadsheet tells you data. And it takes all of the emotion away, but the emotion of me wants 555. Wouldn't that be fun? 5.35. Stock's 11821. I needed to move 6 cents more, and then I should be 5.41. 11826. I needed to move a penny more, and then the option should get traded out. 118.27. Now it should start working lower now. 540. I needed to move 15 cents more. But see how the stock price moved down. The spreadsheet tells you over and over and over again the exact point where you're going to run into resistance. And I had, when I was in university and had developed this spreadsheet back in 2008, 2009, 2010, the university professors told me, you have nothing here, Brian. This is crap. And yet time and time again, I can show you that the spreadsheet is actually very, very good at what it does. Stocks moving down, option prices moving down. Stocks moving up, option price should start moving back up again. We're back 11828. We're to a new high, 1182788. So our option price, stock starts moving down. Time and time again, the spreadsheet tells you exactly the turn point. 11827 is our turn point for the day. We'll see whether I can get my 5.55. I'm going to get back to work doing this appraisal on this watch I've got here in front of me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.